I wanted to make a Python script to back up my files from one folder to another. I went ahead and made two folders, original and backup, and downloaded two images from the internet and made a text file just to bring variations. Then I ran the script. It didn't work. I guess I have to give the full path name of the system. It still doesn't work. So I printed the file name to see if it was fetching properly. It was, but it wasn't working. After some debugging, I found that the path given was wrong. I corrected the path. It worked, and as you can see, the images and text files are copied to the backup folder.